array nesting. We've created a flange. If you want to nest a few of these flanges together, I guess you might want to cut a few dozen of them. We have a button here on the setup job screen called Nest, so we click on Nest. This allows us to do row and column nesting, so we just type in the number we want across. We'll go by 3 by 3, we'll have 9 of these, 3 by 3. So snuggles them together. We've got a scrap allowance up here we can adjust, so they're set to 5mm and they're pretty close there, so we don't really need to adjust those. But they're circles, it might be they'll take a bit less plate if we stagger nest them, so we can see the amount of plate it's taken up there is 314 mil. If we stagger nest them, it'll move a little bit close together. We could perhaps bring the items close together there, so we've got a scrap allowance of 5mm, so we make that down to 0. That's the wrong one actually. On the vertical scrap allowance, bring that down to 0. We can see how it moves them slightly closer together, so we can adjust that to suit the plate we've got. So we've got a choice of straight or stagger nesting for circles.